I'm gonna do my best not to cry, but no promises. That's why I didn't bother putting on any false lashes today, because I was like, Misty, you cannot guarantee that you're not gonna cry. Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I finally get to reveal the big secret I've been keeping from you for the last 5 or 6 months. Probably closer to 6, maybe around 5. Honestly, I kind of blacked out the last 6 months, so I can't honestly tell you when all of this started, but I can tell you that it was a huge, like a ginormous surprise, but also a huge honor. One of the things that I struggle with quite often is imposter syndrome. Just feeling like even though I've done a lot in like my hobby, etc., I don't feel like I've accomplished a lot, or I don't feel like I'm as good as someone else. And that is something I am working on with my therapist. But I still have those moments of doubt. And sometimes it's hard not to allow the numbers game of social media to kind of dictate how you feel about your work and your self-worth, etc. So Brandy from Stamp Me Some Love reached out to me last August, and she asked if I would like to be a participant in her Card Maker Success Summit. This is a huge event. For this particular iteration, there are 43 presenters, so that's 43 card videos, card techniques, etc. And I couldn't be more excited. I was so just gobsmacked at the honor of being invited to something like this, because it's never something that's ever been on my radar. I've seen other companies and stuff do it, and I was like, oh, you know, that's cool. I never expected any kind of recognition or for anybody to even notice me over here in my own little lane on YouTube. So to have her reach out to me, I remember my reaction, and Rob's like, what's the matter? What's the matter? And I was like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. And I had him read it, and he's like, baby. I said, I know. He's like, are you going to do it? I was like, yes, I'm going to do it. Hell yeah, I'm going to do it. So that's what I'm here to tell you today. I am a part of the Card Maker Success Summit by Stamp Me Some Love. It starts March 20th. It is a free event. I'm going to share more details with you about that in just a minute. But the main thing to note is that I have a link in the description box down below. It's the very first link. I'm going to share with you more information about everything. But the one thing to note is that this is a free event, and you sign up by using my link in the description box down below. That is an affiliate link, meaning that it tracks you and me. So if you use my link to sign up for the event, you're going to get a free gift from me. It should arrive via your email, at whatever email that you use to sign up for the event. And I am going to keep it a surprise, but that will be available for those of you who use my link to sign up. And I say it that way because there's 42 other people who are doing this, and I'm sure some of you follow them as much as you follow me. So yeah. Okay, so I have a lot to tell you. I'm going to throw up some graphics, walk you through everything, and then yeah. So this link goes live today at 11. That's why this video went live at 11. It's a free event, but there are opportunities to become a VIP. And again, I will go through all of that with you. So yeah, like I said, I couldn't be more excited. It was such a rewarding experience. And there are live streams, and I have a live stream on the 20th. So this is March 20th through, I believe, the 23rd. And so I will have a live speaking event, so you will have an opportunity to ask me questions or just come say hi during the event. So yeah, I'm going to turn this over to a voiceover again so I can show you some graphics, read you more information. I don't want to tell you information from my brain because I will probably screw something up. Who knows? So yeah, anyway, none of this would be possible without you. And for those of you who've been with me since the very first video, the very, very beginning, thank you so much for sticking around with me. If you found me more recently, thank you so much for all your support, your likes, your comments. If you share my videos, just your word of mouth has helped create this possibility for me, and I couldn't be more appreciative to you. It's still so surreal. I can't believe that we're less than a month away for the event, but it's going to be such a fun time. I've already been able to preview everybody else's cards, and they are fantastic. You're going to learn so much, and it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you feel like you're an advanced expert or whatever. There's always something to learn when there are these events. So yeah, I'm gonna put you over with voiceover Misty. I'm gonna walk you through the graphics and exactly what you can expect, and yeah, then we'll finish it up, and that will be the big announcement. Finally.
Dear creator friend, I'm Brandy Mahon, and I'm absolutely thrilled to invite you to something extraordinary. The Cardmaker Success Summit, happening March 20th through March 23rd. Picture this, joining thousands of passionate card makers for 4 incredible days of creativity, connection, and inspiration. This isn't just another online event. It's your opportunity to discover new techniques, find fresh inspiration, and connect with a community that shares your love of card making. Get ready for an amazing lineup of expert card makers who are ready to share their favorite techniques, creative shortcuts, and inspiring projects. From innovative ways to use your stamps to mastering color combinations that will pop, you'll discover fresh approaches to bring your creative vision to life. And here's something special. We're kicking things off with a live party on YouTube on March 19th. It's your chance to meet some of our amazing presenters and fellow summit attendees before we dive into all of that creative goodness.
As I mentioned earlier in the video, this summit is completely free for all 4 days. You will have access to the videos for 24 hours after they go live. So the 20th videos will be available through the 21st, the 21st through the 22nd, so on and so forth. If you attend the summit and you decide that you want lifetime access to the videos and all of the other goodies included in the VIP pass, you can add that on even up till the last day of the summit. So if it's something that you may be interested in, but you want to take the classes first or watch the videos first, completely understandable. I get it. I do. So again, completely free. The link is the first link in the description box down below. So once you click that link, it's going to take you to this landing page. Now, this is the page where I pulled the video from that I showed you of Brandy, so you can watch the entire thing there. You see there's several places where you can grab a ticket. There are reviews. You can learn more information about Brandy, and then it has an entire list of the presenters. There's me. And so once you click on grab your free ticket, you're going to enter your information. And that's it. I believe it'll prompt to ask if you want the VIP package. So the all access pass also includes all of the all access pass also includes bonus content from some of us creators. Everything you see on the screen is valued at $20 or more. So it's an enormous value. But as I've mentioned several times, the summit is free, and this is just an add-on if you feel like you've enjoyed it or you want all of the goodies. All right, friends, so that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Now, I will say, as this video goes live, I'm currently getting a treatment, and I will be a little out of it for at least a couple of hours. So when I'm home and awake, then I will be able to get to your questions as soon as I can. Again, if you sign up using my link, you should get a free a freebie from me. It should come directly to you. If you don't get it within 24 to 48 hours, make sure you reach out so I can make sure that they have you, that you signed up under me. Again, there are other people, there are at least 42 other people who are presenters for this, so there are going to be a lot of links following out there. So if you use someone else's, I completely understand, but again, I super appreciate it if you use mine. So thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Again, I can't thank you enough. I cannot thank you enough. And I'm excited to let you know that I will be also part of the fall, which is a holiday one. And you guys know that's right up my alley, faux show. So anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Be sure to come back tomorrow. I'm going to have our first birthday card in our cute little series here. I am coloring the Greeting Farm Unicorn Anya, and we're making a double masked card, meaning we're going to do 2 different types of masking. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Can I get snaps in the comments for not crying in this video? Because I wasn't sure that wasn't going to happen. But yeah. All right, friends. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. Thank you again. I really do appreciate you. Link is in the description box down below. I'll see you tomorrow for another card video. Oh, and tonight on my Planning with the Elf channel, I have my March monthly setups. I do 2 monthly views now, and that's listed, and that'll be going live tonight at 6. All right, bye. Bye for now.